So I have just added a safeguard, a sanity check, to ensure that my name can never be null or blank. So watch what happens. What do you guys think is going to happen if I do product one dot set name and then put in a blank string? What's going to happen here? Well, I don't get any guess. Oh, there we go. We get one guess. Two guesses. Sweet. We get an exception. Value cannot be null. So what we've done is we've added a sanity check and some bits of validation into our code to ensure that our product can never be placed into an invalid state. So that's pretty cool. How are people feeling about getters and setters? There's one more thing that I want to introduce as far as getters. I want to create public string get display string. Get display string is going to return this name is this price. So this is an example of another bit of code. It actually computes the value of the data it returns, which is really powerful. Okay, so is everyone doing good so far? Because I'm about to blow your guys' minds again. This pattern is so common in all programming languages. You do this so often, so incredibly, ridiculously, insanely often, that the developers of the C# programming language actually invented new syntax for us to write code that falls under the category of a getter or a setter. Right now, our code doesn't necessarily look that user-friendly because I have to say product1.setName, console write line product1.getName. It's not very user-friendly. We're just invoking methods on it. This is the kind of code that you have to just simply get used to if you're working with C++ or Java. But in C#, there is a better way.